the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work, that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, I'm up in the morning, I'm already.
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
I have a GMC Yukon here. Got hit good in the back here. And this comes in 4 separate pieces. As I pull this out, it should let this relax. So I'm going to go ahead and get these frame sections cut out of the way. It'll give me better access to getting this back panel off. So I measured out my cut mark and I marked it just slightly long so I have a little room to trim it back. And I'm going to go ahead and make my cuts and then I'll trim it back from there. So I have this one roughly jigged together. I have these frame rails bolted up by the body mount. I have our measuring system out again. I'm gonna go ahead and measure this. I gotta recenter this to the vehicle so it's matched, so it knows where the vehicle's sitting. Then I could go ahead and come back here and measure these, make sure they're sitting right where they're supposed to be, and then I'll be able to go ahead and weld those seams up. I'm gonna go ahead and bolt this reinforcement bar on as well, just to get everything locked together. So this one is measuring out perfectly. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna weld these seams, get the frame all welded together. Then I will get back on this back panel. This is already fit up, it fits very nicely, so, but I'm gonna get those welded now.